All right. Welcome to the complete Adobe XD UI UX course. We're going to learn a lot in this course, and I'm super excited to share what XD has to offer through real life projects for both mobile and web. Throughout this course, we're going to work on two major projects, one mobile app, as well as a website design. So we're going to be putting together mockups for these projects for a fictional client that we're going to be talking about in just a bit. But before we do that, let's briefly go over what we're going to cover throughout this course. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and get started with Adobe XD, installing it, going through the initial pages, setting up your account, and downloading it. So if you're a beginner, no worries at all. We're going to cover one by one how to install XD and how to get around it. Once we've covered the basics, the very basics of Adobe XD, we'll go ahead and dive a little bit deeper into exploring Adobe XD. So we'll go through each of the panels, the properties panels, the tools that we have access to, start creating shapes and playing around with some of the tools that we have access to in XD. The fundamentals we'll learn in this section will help us get to the two main sections of this course, which is designing our mobile app. And throughout this process, we're going to learn a ton, starting from where to get inspiration for your designs, how to wireframe a mockup, how to create artboards for your mobile design and input sample data in your projects, and how to use really cool features such as repeat grids and stacks in order to make our design process a lot more efficient. And then we'll go ahead, learn how to design a logo for our project and place it into our app, learn how we can create color styles and apply character styles to our design project as we go through completing our app design. We'll learn about effects such as blurs, shadows, and we'll even touch on responsive resize, which allows us to create our designs for any device size and have it work regardless of the device that the user is viewing the design on. And then moving on, once we do complete our project and polish it up, we'll learn how to export and share our file with other people, whether it's developers, colleagues, team members. Once we learn how to export and share, we'll start prototyping our mobile app design. We'll learn how we can actually go ahead and create a prototype that's interactive and even test it out on our own mobile devices. And we'll learn how to add animations, make our project stand out, and how to share that prototype with other people so they can also view how the app or the design would work on their own mobile phones, which is amazing. And then we'll move on to designing another project, a website, and a template provided by Bootstrap, which will make our design process a lot faster. Throughout the web design part of the course, we'll learn how to put navigation bars together and different sections of the website, how to add a custom font to our project, and use plugins to really polish up our design and make it look unique, as well as creating a prototype for this landing page and sharing it with others. I think you're going to enjoy what this course has to offer, especially if you're looking on how to create beautiful interactive UI UX designs for your clients or for your own project. So let's jump in as we have a lot to cover. At any point, if you're confused about any topic, here are the steps that I do recommend. First step, I recommend that you re-review that lecture on the topic that you're confused about. If you still can't find your answer, go ahead and search the QA section or the discussion section / comments of this course. If you still can't find the answer you're looking for, go ahead and create a question, and I try to answer every question. But if you're still having issues, you can totally reach out to me directly and leave me a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So with that said, let's jump in and XD.